Welcome to Closest Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In today's class we are going to be talking about how to find the sum and product of equation, sum and product of root of equation. So we know that generally the quadratic equation is expressed as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to what? 0. And now we know that alpha and beta are the roots. What do we mean by alpha and beta are the roots? That means the answer you are going to get when you solve a quadratic equation. Like, let's say you solve a quadratic equation, you are going to have something like what's it called? You are going to have something like x equals to 3 or x equals to 5. That x equals to 3 is like your alpha. That x equals to 2 is like your what? Your beta. I get what I'm saying. So for you to form a quadratic equation, if you want to form quadratic equation, this is what you are going to use to form quadratic equation. I get what I'm saying. This particular box is used for what? For forming equation. So if you want to form equation, this is what you are going to what? To use. Are you following that now? So if you want to form equation, you will use this. All right. So but if you want to, so this one is for forming equation. I get what I'm saying. So if you want to form equation, you use this. But if you want to get the root, if you want to get the sum, alpha plus beta is what? Is called sum. So this one is called what? Sum of roots, while this one is called what? Product of roots. Are you seeing that now? This one is called the product of roots. Are you following that now? So knowing this, now we want to see example. So the example you are going to be seeing in this video is how to find the roots of equation. First, how to find root of equation. All right, so now let's say we have an example like 3x squared. So let's say we have an example like given 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to what? 0. If you want to find the what? Find the sum and product of the roots. How will you get the sum? To get the sum, alpha plus beta. What do we see the formula for alpha plus beta is? Minus b over what? Over a. This will be the sum. And if you want to do the product, alpha beta, that's what? C over what? Over a. Now from here first, what is your a? Our a in this equation is what? Is 3. So 3. Our b is what? Minus 4. So minus 4. And then our c is what? Plus 1. Are you seeing that now? Once you are able to get all this, that is the first key. Then now let us get our alpha plus beta. What will be your alpha plus beta? Your alpha plus beta will be what? Minus b. You know, in the formula it is minus b. So it's going to be what? Minus, open bracket, minus 4. I see. Don't mix it together. Minus, open bracket, minus 4. Then over your a is what? 3. I see. That means your alpha plus beta. Your alpha plus beta will be what now? Minus times minus, that's what? Plus 4. So this is 4 over 3. Are you seeing that now? Then what will be your alpha beta? Your alpha beta is what? C over a. Are you seeing that? C over a. So what's your c here? 1. What's your a? 3. So this is the what? This is the sum of roots for this particular equation, and this is the product of the roots. I get what I'm saying. So now if I want to form a quadratic equation, I get what I'm saying. If I want to form a quadratic equation using this particular formula, don't forget I told you that to form equation, this is the formula you are going to use. This particular formula is what you are going to use. So can I form equation with this? Yes, I can form equation. I get what I'm saying. I can form equation with this. You know, we said to form equation, let me quickly change this pen. To form equation, it is what? X squared. Are you seeing? Let me, I don't know. All right, so to form equation, our formula is what? X squared minus what, open bracket, alpha plus beta multiply by x plus what, alpha beta. Are you seeing that? That will now be what, x squared minus, what's our alpha plus beta? Our alpha plus beta is what, 4 over 3 x plus, what's our alpha beta? 1 over 3. Are you seeing that now? If you multiply through by 3 in this place, if you multiply through by 3, you are going to have what, 3x squared minus 4, then multiply by this x that is outside, so that will give us minus 4x, then what, plus 1. Can you see that we were able to get our equation back? Are you seeing that now? That we've been able to get our equation back. So that is the beauty of this thing. All right, so now let's see another example. So let's say I have an example like 2x squared minus 7x minus 3 equal to what, 0. Are you seeing that now? If you want to find this thing here, I get what I'm saying. If you want to find this thing here, your sum of root, what will be your sum of root? Sum of root alpha plus what, beta, that's what, minus b over a. Don't forget the formula. And alpha beta, product of roots, that's what, c over what, over a. Are you seeing that? What's our a in this equation? Our a in this equation is what, 2. Our b in the equation is what, minus 7. And our c in the equation is what, minus 3. Are you seeing that now? So that will now make our alpha plus beta. Our alpha plus beta will be what, minus, open bracket, minus 7. Are you seeing that now? Over what, over a, which is what, 2. That means we are going to have what, 7 over 2. And our alpha beta, which is what, c over a. Our c is what, minus 3 over a 2. So you see now, these are alpha plus beta, and this is our alpha beta. All right, so that is how you do forming of what, finding the roots of equation, the sum and product of roots of equation. So let me give you an assignment. So solve for this. So number 1, find the sum and product of root of x squared minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Are you seeing that? Find the sum and product of roots. Number 2, do for 6x plus 10, 6x squared plus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Yes, find the sum and product of root of this particular example also. All right, so in the next video I'll be talking about how to form equation. Oh no, before that, how to form equation, I'll be explaining how to find other values from roots of equation. I get what I'm saying. Like for example, find alpha over beta plus beta over alpha and the likes. All right, so watch out for the next video that will be uploaded, so that you will get the perfect example of what I'm trying to teach you on. All right, so thank you for watching and do have a great day. All right.